Another day, another gala with your ex-island auntie. Dahil Freedom Day for my doctor friends, I took them to San Pablo para bisitahin ang aking sister at ang kanilang venture ng kanyang mga business partners. The name of the salon is Unique You Aesthetics San Pablo branch and malapit lang siya sa may SM San Pablo. One-stop shop to ng all things beauty. Pwede ka magpagawa ng nails ng iyong hair at ako nga, ito yung pinagawa ko. Hindi pa kasi ako nakakatry nung nagtre-trending na Japanese head spa and lagi siyang nadadaanan ng feed ko sa kung saan-saan. Yung promo rate nila for couples head spa, nasa 2,499 lang, 2 tao na yon. Ang ganda ng experience, may pa-massage, tapos as in nilinis talaga yung buong scalp ko. Pati kaluluwa ko nga yata nalinis na. Charing! After nung massage, meron pa silang pa-facial, tapos meron pa silang pa-mask, and then pa-blow dry ng buhok. At paglabas mo nga ng head spa area, ayan, fresh na fresh ka, and para ka lang walang pinagdaanan. And since one-stop shop to for all things beauty, nakapagpa-nails, nakapagpagupit, nakapagpa-hair color, nakapagpa-exi lift, ang dami naming nagawa in just one day. So kung meron kayong oras, try to visit them. Again, Unique You Aesthetics, they are located in San Pablo, Laguna, malapit lang sa SM. Bye!